ganyan. Pero bakit yan yung gusto mong how did that title develop pala?
Yung song title,
Ah,
originally po siya, yung title is Halt Me.
halt meaning stop?
As in stop po,
Ah.
like H-A-L-T. Pero I would say na parang hindi po siya masyado naging... Kasi po, I remember pag sinasabi ko pong Halt Me, nung demo pa po siya, parang nalilito po yung mga pinsan ko. Kahit yung lola ko parang, ano yung hold, like nalilito po sila. So parang, ginawa ko na lang po siyang hold imbis na halt me. Although parang similar din po siya kasi hold and stop. Parang,
Yeah. Yeah.
parang part po siya nung...
Kapag ginawa ka nung masa-stop naman eh.
Opo,
di ba?
parang gano'n. Pag ginawa ka din po nasa-stop din.
Correct.
So, ginawa ko lang po hold me. Para mas, pag narinig po ng tao, yun, mas, ano po nila, mas, gets. Yun.
And what part of teenager's life yung feeling mo dapat specifically should be held or stopped by the society whatever at whatever context?
Like, ano po yun, like yung...
Like for ano yun? Like for this song, saang aspeto ng teenager life mo yung gusto mong hawakan ka talaga or stop ka?
Parang i-cherish ko po rin.
Yeah.
I think it would really be the authenticity po. Yun, super important po yun. Especially sa society. Like, ang dami po kasi yung societal standards na very, parang minsan as a teenager, this is parang the stage where you feel so pressured about parang the societal standards. Yun po, parang dapat maging ganito ka, dapat is specifically sa physical appearance po. I'm talking about yung mga experiences din po ng friends ko. Like, madalas minsan din nagiging pressured sila about how they wanna look like kasi yun yung parang sinasabi ng society or ng lipunan. Dapat ganito, parang madami pong say toxic standards about it. So, yun po, the importance right now for me would be the authenticity. Like, just be yourself. Yun po talaga yung gusto ko pong i-cherish talaga or i-hold. Yung originality po. Na parang without feeling the sense of, dapat maging ganito ka or maging ganyan. Just that realness. Yun.
And last question, how did you veer away with the comparisons with like yung mga batchmates mo? Kasi for a while di ka namin nakita, di ba? But some of your batchmates nagtuloy-tuloy. So, paano mo yun dinil? Especially at a younger age.
I would say, wala po ako masyadong naging difficulties about it. Kasi po at the same time, parang hindi po ako masyadong naging active sa mga comments. Parang hindi ko rin po sila narinig. Kasi, like, I wouldn't say super iba, pero parang mas nag-focus po din po talaga ako sa duality na nagsa-study po ako and kaka-career at the same time. So, hindi ko po siya namalayan yung comparisons. So,
That's good. Thank you.
Thank you so much
Congrats.
po.